Today we will be testing the Vegas double tunnel indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Vegas double tunnel indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 544 indicators, with 231 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Vegas double tunnel indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so it consists of a few different moving averages. You can see them kind of stacked on top of each other here. And so what it does is it takes a specific moving average and kind of doubles it on itself to kind of mirror that original moving average really close, kind of creating a double moving average or like a buffer in between those two moving averages. And we've played around with a couple indicators like that before. Some of them maintain that particular distance in between the two consistently, so like a deviation almost. And then some of them have it to where they are really close and they are actually switching and crossing up or down over each other. And so this one is one that doesn't maintain that distance. It's switching under and over, with both of them, the black and gray and the purple ones. And so basically they took one of those kind of double indicator setup and then doubled it again, creating two of those. And so we might play around with this a few different ways. We'll see once we test it this way. We'll see what happens after this one. So basically what we're looking for first and foremost is, let's just do a traditional style like moving average cross. And so what we're looking for is when both the purple lines, both the purple moving average cross up above the gray and black, then we will go long. When both the purple moving averages cross down below the gray and black, then we will go short. And so like I said, let's try that one first, and then we might play around with this in a couple other ways in other videos. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so the first signal that we picked up was a short. You can see that right here as those two purple lines, as all the lines kind of converge together, and then the purple lines are able to break out to the downside. Unfortunately, this one does get stopped out as price action almost immediately takes a really hard push to the upside. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Pretty clear there. So we had one trade, one losing trade there, and so as I suspected, this wasn't able to give hardly any signals within 1 year. I kind of thought that would be the case, just kind of looking back on how long it takes for this indicator to really do anything. And that's why I mentioned that we will probably test this in at least one other way to see what we can get out of it, something that might have a significantly more amount of signals or trades within 1 year's time. See if we can't figure out something a little bit different to do with it. Since it is a moving average, there are multiple ways to use moving averages, price action breaks, and so on. And so those are all valid ways of also testing this one. For now, though, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.